What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Available for immediate occupancy is this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in the quiet area of Cedar Grove, Manchester, Jamaica. The home is a fixer-upper and has lots of potential. The land area of this house is 14,565 square feet, and the property also comes with a 1-bedroom flat income earner. There is also a spacious living and dining area that opens into the kitchen, and I can't forget to mention the balcony area to enjoy a cool breeze while sipping your morning coffee. Other features of this home includes laundry room, garage, water tank, ceramic tiling, fully walled, ceiling fans, grilled, garden area, low maintenance yard, level lot, private setting, and a central location. This house is very close to the popular university NCU, other schools, churches, and it's about 5 minutes from Mandeville town. The price of this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $140,000. Now let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.